So welcome back guys, my name is Amlan and in today's Make Launch Free campaign we go about looking at how we can customize call background. That is, we can set the call background to be a certain image or a video anytime someone calls you. This will be different from the default Samsung call background. Now before we proceed, first you need to have a certain image in your phone gallery so that it becomes easy for you to kind of pick this image or video. Next, head towards your phone application. Here, tap on the three little dots so that you can head towards your phone settings. And here you will see the fourth option from the top is call background. Now, since this is a dual SIM phone, I have both the SIMs listed out here. Let's do it for any one of the SIM. The steps would remain more or less the same for any other SIM. It's the same actually. Here there are two options. One is layout, one is background. Layout means how the name and the number would appear. So you can decide to customize this as well. And the more important thing is background. Now, this is what the default thing is. So this is what appears when you normally have a call appearing. What you can also do is you can click on the plus icon and you can select from gallery a certain image. So say for example, I want to say set this image. This is my own image. So anytime someone calls, I want to set this image. So I can set this as call background. So now this will be the background image that's been set as my call background. So I can again go ahead and change this. I can select from a gallery something else. So I can go ahead and set this as well. So this can now be set as my call background. And say I decide, well, I don't really need all this. I can come back to my standard call background, which is the default Samsung pattern. I can also go ahead and select a video background. So like I can go ahead and do this. I can go to camera and I can say set a certain video file from here. So I can set say this one. So once I do this, so now this video will be like displayed anytime someone calls me. So like I said, I can always head towards my default thing, and like how I did this for my first sim, I can go ahead and do this for my second sim as well. So I can set any of these images as my call background. So hopefully this tutorial helps. If it does, kindly consider subscribing to the channel, tap on the bell icon for notifications, and please do let us know in the comment section how you found our tutorial. Also, please be kind enough to share this with your friends and colleagues. I think most of them will find this useful. Until next time, it's me Amnan signing off.